Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Do your participants often need more than just a certificate? Perhaps an attendance record, a detailed invoice, or an event pass, all from a single registration? Manually processing multiple documents per submission is a productivity killer. But with Smart Certificates Pro features, it's remarkably easy. The Smart Certificates Pro plan unlocks the ability to generate multiple documents from a single Google Forms submission. This means one form, one click, and all necessary documents are created, personalized, and delivered instantly. After configuring your first certificate template in Certificate Settings, look for the plus Add Template button. Click it, and select your second document template from Google Drive, perhaps an event pass, an attendance record, or even an invoice. For each template, you'll separately map its unique placeholders to the relevant Google Form questions. This ensures precise data merge for every document. Crucially, give each document a distinct certificate name to avoid confusion in your Drive. For instance, course certificate name and attendance record name. Once all templates are added and mapped, save your configuration. With multiple templates configured, a single form submission triggers the generation and delivery of all associated documents. Watch as your participant receives a single email containing their certificate, event pass, and any other documents you've set up, all perfectly merged and ready to go. This pro feature dramatically streamlines complex workflows, saves immense time, and provides a superior comprehensive experience for your participants. Ready to elevate your document automation with multi-template power? Upgrade to Smart Certificates Pro today. Experience ultimate efficiency and provide a truly comprehensive experience for your users. Visit gwaddons.com's pricing to learn more and unlock pro features.